In this example, I will show you one more use of cost centers and cost categories by using an example. And in this example, this company wants to track expenses of its departments like marketing department and HR department, and they would like to know what kind of expense are happening in the departments. And for this example, in this company, I created few cost categories and few cost centers. And let me walk you through what those cost categories and cost centers are. So let me show you the cost categories which I created by selecting the option create. So I will press the page up key so that I can show you what cost categories I created. So I created a cost category of expense type, and I created a cost category for departments. And let me now show you what cost centers I created based on these cost categories. So I created the following cost centers using the create option over here. So under expense type cost category, I created an cost center for tea and refreshment expense. Similarly, I created an expense for stationery bills under expense type category, and I created departments called marketing under category department, and similarly I created a department called HR under category department. Now to record expenses at both the departments, I created their expense ledgers separately, and those ledgers are as follows. I created a expense ledger for marketing department expenses under indirect expenses, and I have set the option cost centers are applicable to yes. Similarly, I created an expense ledger for HR department expense under indirect expenses. Now we will try to record expense entry towards each of the department and make use of cost centers and cost categories. So let me press the escape key and select the option accounting vouchers, and we are going to make expense towards marketing department, and I'm going to make payment for this expense through cash. So I select the ledger cash over here and select the ledger marketing department expense and specify the expenditure amount. Now when you press the enter key, you would be asked to specify allocation for this expenditure. So initially here the details would be blank. You need to press the spacebar key to toggle the list of categories, and since this expense is towards marketing department, I will select the department cost category first over here and specify the cost center marketing over here, and I will also specify towards what items the expenditure took place. So let me select the cost category expense type over here and press the spacebar key, and I will allocate my expense towards stationery bills for rupees 3000 and towards tea and refreshment for rupees 7000. So in marketing department, towards these items the expense allocation is as follows, and then press Ctrl A to save these details, and then press Ctrl A again to save this expense entry. And similarly, let me pass an expense entry towards HR department expense. So I made payment towards those expense in cash, and this time I will select the ledger HR department expense, and this department incurred expense for rupees 8000, and the department is already selected over here. And let me specify the expenditure allocation towards each item. So for stationery bill, this department incurred rupees 4500 and remaining towards tea and refreshment, and then press Ctrl A to save the details, and then press Ctrl A to save the payment entry. Alright, now let's have a look at the cost center and cost category reports towards expenses for both the departments. So let me select the option display over here, followed by a selection of statements of accounts, cost centers and category summary. Over here we can have a snapshot of expense allocation, and we can understand that rupees 8,000 expense was incurred in HR department and rupees 10,000 in marketing department, and overall towards stationery bills in both the departments 7,500 rupees was the expenditure amount and rupees 10,500 towards tea and refreshment. And further, when I press the enter key and specify the month of expenditure and press the enter key, I can see that the expenditure breakup for tea and refreshment. So in marketing department, rupees 7,000 was incurred towards tea and refreshment and rupees 3,500 in HR department. Now let me press the escape key, and at display cost centers menu I will select the option cost center breakup, and I want to view cost center breakup for tea and refreshment expense. So I'll select it and press the enter key over here again and select any one of the departments. So over here we have a graphical representation of the expense volume at the bottom of your screen, and it is for tea and refreshment in HR department. Now if I press Alt C and specify another department apart from HR department, so I'll select that department as marketing department expense. So with this we can understand that towards tea and refreshment, marketing department has incurred more expense than that of HR department. So that's all about cost centers and cost categories, and with this lecture I conclude this section on cost centers and cost categories.